I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate your Vega helmet warranty. First, it's important to know that Vega helmets typically come with a 5-year warranty from the date you bought it. To begin, gather your proof of purchase, like a sales receipt or an invoice. You'll also need to find your helmet's unique serial number, which is usually located on the chin strap or on a sticker inside the helmet. Having these ready will make the process smooth and quick. The easiest way to activate your warranty is through the official Vega Helmets website. Head over to their homepage and look for a section dedicated to support or warranty registration. Once you find it, click on the link to access the online registration form. Take your time to accurately fill in all the requested information, ensuring every field is completed correctly for a successful submission. When filling out the form, you'll need to provide your full name, email address, and phone number. Next, carefully input your helmet's specific model, its size, and the serial number you located earlier. This information helps Vega identify your product precisely. Finally, you will be asked to upload a clear, legible copy of your purchase receipt or invoice as proof of ownership and purchase date. After reviewing all your entered details for accuracy, click the Submit button to send your warranty registration. You should then receive a confirmation email from Vega Helmets within approximately 2 to 3 business days, acknowledging your submission. If you don't receive a confirmation or encounter any difficulties during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to Vega's customer service team for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.